like we all know what Nuvia is all about. Now in this video I'm going to be showing you how to withdraw daily from your account. So right over my dashboard you can see the total revenue I have over 456,350,000 naira. Now when you come right to daily withdrawal, you can actually see that the button has been available for your daily withdrawals. However, before we continue with this video, please do well to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and most especially turn on the bell notification so YouTube can notify you whenever I upload any valuable content like what you're about to watch right now. So when you look at my total revenue, I have over 456,350,000 naira. Now above that you can see daily withdrawal. So before now, you all know that what we do on Nuvia is to listen to music. Now when you navigate right here, you are going to be seeing the Apple Music, the Audio Mark, and Spotify and likes of other music right here. So when you click on Apple Music, you are going to be displayed into Apple Music, where you can actually listen to different series of music, as you all know how we do it on Nuvia. Okay, so once you come right here, you are going to be seeing this music that you can listen to and the range and the amounts you are seeing right here. So that is not what we are into in this video. So right now I'm going to be showing you how you can withdraw daily on your account. Now to withdraw daily on your account, let's go back to our dashboard. Daily withdrawal is available for every user on Nuvia. So when you come back to your dashboard, you're going to be seeing this like this. Just like what I said, we have different streaming box right here: Apple Music, Audio Max, Spotify, Boomplay, YouTube Music, and SoundCloud. So these are the musics you'll be listening to. So I've made several videos on how you can actually go ahead listening to all this music and accumulate your earnings. Now after listening to all this music, you just have to come down to your daily withdrawal right here, and it's going to load up an interface for you. Now if you've not actually gotten the withdrawal check code, you can actually place daily withdrawals on your account. So you need to get this withdrawal code for you to be able to continue placing withdrawal every single day. So to place withdrawal, once you click on this daily withdrawal, it's going to take you over to an interface where you need to insert a particular code. And so right here, this is the particular page. Right here you can see you do not have any active subscription to access the daily withdrawal portal. Kindly purchase daily withdrawal activation token to unlock and continue to the daily withdrawal page. So right here, what you just need to do is to come right here and put in the code, which you can actually get from me. Once you send me a DM, I'm going to be getting this token for you. So right here, what you just need to do next is to click on unlock withdrawal. So once you click on unlock withdrawal, it's going to be unlocked for you. As you can see, daily withdrawal activated, redirecting to withdrawal portal. So just close this and you'll be redirected to the withdrawal portal. So once you head over to the withdrawal portal, the next thing you want to do is to withdraw what you have on your account. So right here you can see that under my daily wallet I have over 238,265 naira. So right here you can see I have no pending right here. So to place withdrawal on your account, by now you would have linked your bank details to your account. So what you can only withdraw on your account is 4,000 naira. So every single day you'll be withdrawing 4,000 naira on your account, no matter the amount you have on your daily wallet. So every single day you go ahead to withdraw 4,000 naira on your account. So you can actually see that daily withdrawal subscription activated. So what I'm going to do right now is to click on withdraw now, because I already linked my OPay to my account. So what I'm going to do is to click on withdraw now. So you can see confirm that you want to withdraw funds for August dates from your daily withdrawal wallet. Do you want to continue? So you have to proceed. So as you can see, withdrawal complete, 4,000 naira has been withdrawn from my account. So I'm receiving this payment instantly into my OPay account. So that is how you can place withdrawal on Nuvia. Every single day you withdraw 4,000 naira from your daily wallet on Nuvia. And so guys, after some hours I got credited into my OPay account. As you can see the remark and details of this transaction. So right here, some of us are asking, how do I listen to music every day? So every single day you are going to be withdrawing 4,000 naira on your account. So right here, let me show you how to move your funds from your account down to your daily wallet. Now when you come down to your account right here, so once you go over to your account, let's hold on for this. So once you go over to your home page right here, so let's close this. Once you go over to your home page right here, you are going to be seeing daily transfer. But before daily transfer, make sure that you have actually come over to stream box. Now when you come down to YouTube Music, you're going to be seeing the music that you can listen to. When you come down to SoundCloud, you're going to see several music you can listen to. When you come to Spotify, you can see the musics you can listen to. So right here, we don't have active music to listen to. So when you come down to Audio Mark, you are going to be seeing the series of music that you are to listen to. So after listening to all this music, the next thing you need to do is to always transfer your daily earnings to your daily wallet, So right here, when you come down to this hamburger icon right here, you are going to be seeing series of music that you can listen to. Just like what I said, when you come down to SoundCloud or any music right here, we have the Apple Music, we have the Audio Mac and likes of others. So you are going to be seeing series of music that you can actually listen to. So every single day you listen to this music, you need to move your funds down to your daily wallet. Now to move your funds to your daily wallet, you have to come down to where you can see the daily transfer. So once you click on daily transfer, that is the only place you can actually move your funds right to your daily wallet. Right here you can see that under my royalty earnings, I have about 5,900 naira. So to move this, all you just need to do is to come down to where you can see amount, then put in the amount you want to transfer to your account. So you can see that I'm transferring 5,900 naira to my daily wallet. I just need to click on transfer, and it's going to ask me to confirm this transfer. So I'm going to click on proceed transfer. As you can see, transfer completed successfully. So right now I've transferred my royalty earnings down to my daily wallet. Now only what you have on your daily wallet is what is withdrawable. I've said this countless times. Only what you have on your daily wallet is withdrawable. So once you're on level 2, it's advisable you move down to level 3, so you can always withdraw daily as level 3. So when you come down to your account right here, just go over to your dash. So when you come down to your dashboard right here, you can actually see that daily withdrawal is always open every single day. So when you come over to this interface every single day, you are going to be withdrawing 4,000 naira every single day on your account. So that is how to place your daily withdrawals, and that is how to transfer your funds from your royalty earnings down to your daily wallet. And so guys, when we begin this video, I actually have over 400 plus on my account. So right here you can see I have a total of 502,850. So right here, when you come over to my mentorship reward, I have over 78,000 naira. Now what I'm going to do right now, before I go over to withdraw from my daily wallet, you can actually see that this particular withdrawal was successful. Okay, so right now I can actually go ahead to place 4,000 naira on my account again. So this is the second day I'm making this video. That is why I'm attaching it to this particular one. So right now I'm going over to withdraw my mentorship reward. So once I go over to my dashboard right here, I'm just going to come over to withdraw. Now once I click on withdraw, you can actually see that I can actually withdraw 78,000 naira I have on my account. So once I click on the 78,000 right here, I'm just going to come down right here and click on proceed. So you can actually see request submitted successfully. So right now you can see the receipt of the withdrawal. So I'll be expecting 78,000 naira on my OPay account. And so after some few minutes, I also received the credited alert of the 78,000 naira. As you can see, the remark and details right here. So now the next thing I want to do right now is to come down to my daily withdrawals, okay? Because there are so many ways you can withdraw on Nuvia. So when you come right to withdrawal right here, you can see that there are so many ways you can withdraw on Nuvia. So right now, once I go back to my account and I come down to daily withdrawal, I'm going to be brought into this interface just like I showed you that I made previous withdrawals right here. So now every single day I'm going to be making withdrawal of 4,000 naira on my Nuvia account. So that is how Nuvia works. So I'm just going to come right here and click on withdraw now. So it's going to ask me to confirm the withdrawal just like what I did earlier. So I'm going to click on yes, proceed. As you can see, I just placed a withdrawal of 4,000 naira. So a total of 82,000 naira was withdrawn from my account right here. The first one was 78,000 naira and this second one is 4,000 naira. That's a total of 82,000 naira. And so thank you for watching this video to this point. I hope you got value from it, and if you did, please do well to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and most especially turn on the bell notification so YouTube can always notify you whenever I upload any valuable content like what you just watched. It's advisable you join my social media platforms, my Telegram channel and my WhatsApp group, where I run giveaways and also show you some specific ways you can use to boost your online earnings in today's world. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them on the comment section below. See you on my next video and keep winning.